Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And guys, today also it's an unboxing video only. Today now we are going to do unboxing of this Ambrane power bank. Actually, I purchased this from Mintra, guys. It's cost around rupees 1,499 rupees. I purchased this power bank through Mintra. Actually, price may vary in their official website and plus in Mintra and in Flipkart and in Amazon. You can purchase this product from anywhere, but price may vary. Depends upon their e-commerce site. Price may vary, but anyway, I purchased this in Mintra, guys. Rupees cost of rupees 1,499 rupees. Ambrane, and this is a 10,000 mAh power bank. Here you can see it's a wireless power bank also with Magsafe compatibility, and quick charging support is also there, and type C charging only. And not only that, you can see the product specification. Input is type C 20-watt maximum, and output is type A, USB type A, and type C is there 22.5. One is 22-watt, one is maximum power, but in wireless output is 15-watt only, guys. The maximum is this magnetic charging only works with iPhone 12 and above only, not below iPhone 12 and above, and not with Android smartphones, other wireless charging devices. It will not support. Okay, that's good. Okay, no issues. And this model name is AeroSync Snap. This power bank model number is. Okay, let's come on. It's now time to do an unboxing of this power bank actually. Okay, just I need to open this tape first. Okay, let's take this out. I need to open this out. First, see whatever things they have given. You can see added treat, reviewers online. Okay, definitely added review. And you can, and guys, you can see just you need to register your product warranty registration here by scanning this QR code actually. Okay, just keep this aside. And there's more Magsafe charging support is there. It's good. You can see there's all the tips they are given. You should know. Okay, that's good. Just follow this instruction, guys. Okay, just keep this aside. Okay, and then here it's now time to open the power bank box actually. Okay, and inside here you can see here they are providing a cable type C actually. Anyway, just I will take this power bank out first. Okay, this side. And here you can see there's the type C cable actually. Cable looks good. Cable looks good actually. Okay, just keep this aside, and now it's time to take this power bank out, guys. Okay, here you can see here's the power bank from Ambrane actually. You can see here's the wireless area which we need to keep a charger. Actually, currently I'm not having any iPhone. Actually, I'm shooting this video in iPhone only, in iPhone 13. I'm having one iPhone only, or else I will show you in this video itself by keeping this iPhone, by placing this iPhone here, whether it is charging properly. Let's even I will. Okay, if there is an extra iPhone is there, means even I will show you that in this video itself how fast it is charging. But anyway, I'm having only one iPhone, guys. Okay, it's just an unboxing video only. That's it. Just we can take this out, it seems. See. Yeah, it's not coming properly. Okay, just leave as it is. And here you can see here's the USB and indication light is there. Type C port is there, and that's it, guys. Just we need to keep this iPhone here, back side of this iPhone here. Just we need to place it here, and we can do a charging, guys. Okay. Okay, here's the button is there. You can see. You can see the indication light is here. That's it. And okay, guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it. Actually, it's just a small unboxing video only. And okay, and guys, if you're having any queries or documents, ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. And guys, one thing I forgot to show you, that just a minute. So here you can see is the external thing of this. Okay, actually here you can see do what powers you. That's good. Actually it's a magnetic ring, guys. Actually it is a metal ring adapter. Actually why means it is for non-magnetic phones, guys, or else like a case compatibility with your new wireless power bank. So only they are providing this actually. Okay, just keep this like this. Let's see. You can see just got attached. Okay. Actually it's very tight only, this metallic adapter. Good. Metallic ring adapter it will cause okay, yeah, this came. Actually it's very tight, this magnetic ring actually. Okay, okay guys, regarding this video that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any queries or means ask in the comment section, guys. I will reply as soon as possible, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. Let's say we'll see you in next video.